All right, Manib. Hey, I'm just going to give you a little bit of feedback on some of these properties that you did. And I'm no longer going to hold you up as far as getting these offers out. Obviously, like most of these are pending, and that's my fault because you sent these to me waiting on me. And yesterday, I was just completely slammed trying to get that property sold, which obviously takes precedence over anything else. And then also I had a couple other really good properties that I went and looked at that I think we might be able to get. So we're starting to move in the right direction, which is good. So I'm not going to hold you up on getting these offers out anymore. What I'll do is just double check your numbers when I get to it, and then give you feedback based on that. So uh, today, let me go ahead and I mean, we're pretty close on these. So the only thing I'm not disagreeing with your ARVs so far on these. Your ARVs look pretty good. You can maybe get a little more aggressive if you want. Um, for example, on this one, this Bahama Street. Um, so first off, I noticed that the condition's really good, right? So we're not talking about, we got newer windows. We're not talking about uh, we're looking at it maybe a carpet and paint job, right? So condition is really nice. So we can definitely be aggressive with our price point on this. The basement's finished. That was the other thing. So we'll get back to that here in a second. I see that this is the AR. This is the comp that you used on at 435, and which is fine. The only thing I would say, this is a pretty nice newer house, not exactly a fresh, new, clean rehab. So, when you see those, those houses that are white kitchens, white cabinets, everything looks fresh, new. Not, these have these older cabinets and older granite. This is rehab 10 years ago. So why I say you can get a little more aggressive on this. So that sold at 435. So you could easily go 440, 445 on your ARV on this one, just based on this comp. So just I want you to start using your eye on these and making adjustments based on what you're seeing, not just going off purely numbers. And that's kind of what we've been talking about. So you could came up on your ARV, and then the second thing is on this one. Um, you didn't do any percent off on this one. The house is pretty new, so I would have done, let's say 440. I can't get in there, but let's say 440, and maybe adjusted this to like point 16 or point 17, because not a lot of money is going to need to go into this. That gets our offer price much closer to list price, and that's something I can sell. Okay, so let me look at maybe one more. I'm not going to look at all these today just because I don't have a lot of time. I've got properties that I'm trying to get sold, but I want to give you some feedback. Make sure you're making these adjustments and really using your eye and making an informed judgment. You have the skill set at this point to make adjustments based on what you're seeing, not just strictly going off the numbers. So